What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. So after doing some troubleshooting, I was getting fuel. It just wasn't getting spark to the plug. So with the new coils and plugs, there's only one thing it could have been, and it was a relay. It's the relay for the coils. So I just want to show you guys a little trick on how to double check to make sure that the relay is the issue. I mean, you already probably know this is a 2002 Audi A4. It's the 1.8 liter turbo. This sits here. There's like 2 to 3 bolts. When I did it, there was only 2 bolts in it. It's like an Allen key, but a star. And the cover pops right off. And then this has a little, when it's in there, you just use a screwdriver and poke this in, and it'll pop right out. It'll free this up. And the relay for the coils sits right here in this black spot. And yeah, so I pulled it out. I'll show you right here. All right, so when I pulled it out, it was a lot more rusty. You can see the corrosion, so I just used some carburetor cleaner, brake cleaner, and a wire brush, cleaned it up a little bit. Now this right here is where the circuit closes. This usually moves and closes like that, and those 3 points touch and allow the electricity to flow through. So what's happening is the corrosion is just stopping this piece from moving and closing the circuit, because when it gets electricity, it gets a charge, it actually moves this piece closed right here and allows everything that it controls to get power. So what we're gonna do is wrap some tape around it and close the circuit manually, and then put it back in and then try and start the car. So just be mindful that this isn't a cure-all. This is just to get the car to start and see if this is what's stopping the coil packs from getting the power they need. So as you can see right here, I got it wrapped in some tape. And yeah, we're gonna go ahead and get this plugged in right now. The car is not on. You hear the fan just kick on? That's because the relay is giving it power now, constant power. I closed that circuit on the relay, and it's allowing it to get power while the car is off. Relay in. Started right up. Trickery, none of that. Just so you see that I didn't swap it. Alright guys, thank you for watching. If you enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up, and if you want to see more, consider subscribing, because we have so much great stuff planned. And I mean, the future can only get better. And just always remember, guys, there is no substitute for hard work. So if you want something, go out and get it. And until next time, peace.